So, to determine the number of prime factors for any composite number, we need to break that number apart into its prime factorization. So, we need to take 1,485, and we are going to make a factor tree. There's a number of different ways that we can break this apart, but you can see that it ends in 5, and so as we take 1,485 and we divide it by 5, so we're going to get 297. 297 is composite. If we add up the digits, we can see that it's divisible by 3. So when we get 3, it's 3 and 99. 99 is also composite. It is 9 times 11, and we can break down the 9 to 3 times 3. So the prime factorization is 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 11. And so then the question is, and to confirm that that's right, if we do multiply that out, it should come back out to 1,485. And when we do that, we do in fact see that it is the correct. So how many different prime factors does it have? Well, this 3 is represented 3 times, but we would just count each. We would count it once, twice, 3 times. So our correct answer is B.